Okay, the topic is matrices. Okay, what do you mean by a matrix? Any answer? What do you mean by a matrix? Avni, any answer?
No, sir.
Be a bit louder. Hello?
So, sir, a matrix is the set of
It is
containing numbers in
It is
order.
not a set, it is basically an arrangement of numbers. Let us say, if I arrange them in rows and columns, okay? So this will be your matrix. Is that okay? Vishal, is that okay?
Yes.
It can be having any number of rows, any number of columns. That is called a matrix. Okay, you can write it down. A matrix is the arrangement of rows and columns, rows and columns, of a number of a number. Okay? And a model of matrix and order of a matrix is defined as and a order of a matrix is defined as row cross column. Row cross column. Let us say, for example, write down a matrix in the form A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is having 2 rows and 3 columns. Therefore, order is given by row cross column. So the order will be 2 cross 3. Order will be 2 cross 3. Got it? Respond me back, yes, no. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
What will be the order of this matrix? Writing it over here. It is 1, 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What will be the order of this matrix?
3 cross 3.
3 cross 3. Number of rows being 3 and number of columns will also be 3. So the order is 3 cross 3. What about this? 1, 6, 7, 8. Ishwar, you will answer me on this.
Yeah.
What is the order of this
This
matrix?
is 4 cross 1.
4 cross 1. Number of rows are 4, column is 1, so the order becomes what? 4 cross 1. Okay. Write down a question. Write down. If a matrix has 24 elements, if a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible dimensions? What are the possible dimensions oblique oblique order it can have? It can have. Read out the question for yourself. The question says that we have a matrix whose order is 24. By 24 I mean that row cross column is basically equals to 24. So it is asking what all possible dimensions it can have. Dimensions का मतलब होता है order. So basically I have to look out for those two numbers which on being multiplying gives me 24. So it can be 1 cross 24, 24 cross 1, 2 cross 12, 12 cross 2, 3 cross 8, 8 cross 3, 12 cross 2, 2 cross 12. Then it can be
So it should be
6 comma 4 and 4 comma 6 also can be there. Is that okay?
the 12 2 and 2 12 you written twice.
Yes, I know that. 12 2 and 2 12. It can have any order, na? 2 rows and 12
You
columns.
wrote twice at the same thing.
Oh, so sorry. This will not be there. Okay. This will not be there. So it will be what? It will be 6 comma 4 and 4 comma 6. I hope you have done all the pairs. Are we clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Do the same question for R cross T as 13. R cross T as 13.
Yes, sir.
What will be the order for this?
So 13 cross 1 or 1 cross 13.
Very good. These only two will be the order. Ishwar, is that clear to you? Ishwar, is that clear to you?
Yeah.
Write down the next question. What is the order of the following matrix? What is the order of the following matrix? Second part. Write down. Write down. I'm writing it over here. Write down A12. Next A24. Next A31 and A34. You have to write down this. Next is 3, 8, 15. Then it is -1. -1 के बाद -7. Then it is -12 and finally it is 6. So how will we solve this? Now we know that what is the order. What is the order, Ishwar?
Order is maybe 3 cross 4.
3 cross 4. Perfect. Now let us look at this A12. What is A12? A12 means it is row number 1 and column number 2. Row number 1 and column number 2. This is my row 1, this is my row 2, this is my row 3. And this will be my column 1, this will be my column 2, this will be my column 3, and this will be my column 4. So let us find the element at the intersection of first row and second column. First row and second column, this will be the element. So A12 is 1. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
What will be A24, Avni?
So 15.
Second row and fourth column. Second row and fourth column. This is row, this is column. Second row and column, that will be 15. Ishwar, what will be A31?
A31 is so what have you written over there? It's
Minus
not
one.
clear. It's some random
Minus
written
1.
some -1. Okay, then it's -1.
Yeah. A34. A34.
A34 is 6.
6. Question finished. Please note it down. Move to the next question.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done. Write down the next question. Write down. Construct a 3 cross 4. Construct a 3 cross 4 matrix A. Construct a 3 cross 4 matrix A equals to Aij whose element aij is given by I plus j का whole square divided by 2. I plus j का whole square divided by 2. Read the question. Earlier question. Now we are
Yes.
given that if we have to construct a 3 cross 4 matrix. That means rows are number 3 and columns are 4. So let us write down over here. This is the rough work which we have to do. Let this be row 1, row 2, row 3, column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4. So the element over here, it will be given by A11. How did we get this A11? Because it is at the intersection of row 1 and column 1. Always remember, like if we talk about A11, this one is representing the row and this one is representing the column. The first number will always represent the row and the second number will always represent the column. Next would be what? First row, second column, first row, third column, first row, fourth column, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, second row, fourth column, third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column, and third row, fourth column. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Now, the formula
Yes.
for Aij is given to us as I plus j by 2 ka whole square. I plus j divided by 2 ka whole square. Let us find A11. This is the value of I and this is the value of j. Let us put as I as 1, j as 1. So this will become what? 2 square by 2. This will become 4 by 2. Hence my answer is 2. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Let us find A12. So this is my I, this is my j. I'll put I as 1, j as 2. 1, 2.
Yeah.
This will become 3 square by 2. That is 9 by 2. Let us find A13. That would be 1 plus 3 ka whole square divided by 2. This becomes 4 square by 2, 16 by 2. The value becomes what? 8. Next,
Yeah.
let us find A14. 1 plus 4 ka whole square divided by 2. That is 5 square divided by 2. The value becomes what? 25 divided by 2. I'll find one more for you. A21. Now I becomes 2, j becomes 1 divided by 2. 3 square divided by 2. The value becomes what? 9 by 2. Is that okay? Okay. Start
Yes.
finding all the values. Find out these values and let me know. What is the value of A22?
8.
Abhi A23?
The 25.2.
Ishwar, keep on checking it. A24, Ishwar?
8 over 18.
8 over 18, that would be what? 4 by 9? Okay. I am writing down the fixed values over here. What is A31 Abhi?
The 8.
8. A32 Ishwar?
A32 is 25 by 2.
25 by 2. A33 Abhi?
18.
A34 Ishwar?
49 by 2.
49 by 2. Now the final answer will be given by what? By substituting each one of these values with its answer. Got it? Hmm? The final answer will be what?
Yeah.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
replace these values. The matrix A will be given by, this will be 2, 9 by 2, 8, 25 by 2, 9 by 2, 8, 25 by 2, 18, 8, 25 by 2, 18, 49 by 2.
29.
Okay. Do another question. Write down. It is a 2 cross 3 matrix, 2 cross 3 matrix, where Aij is supposedly given by mod of minus 3i plus j, mod of 3i minus 3i plus j whole divided by 2. I hope we are clear about the concept of mod. What will
Yes.
be mod of minus 2 Ishwar?
Mod of
Minus 2.
2.
And mod of 2 will be Avni.
The 2.
It just composes, it just eats out the negative sign. Start solving. What will be the matrix? Write down the matrix first of all. This would be A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Right?
The done.
Okay, sir, what is A11?
A11 is 1.
Minus 3 plus 1 whole divided by 2 minus 2 by 2. Don't directly write the answers. Okay, we have to throw all of this rough work. Not the rough work, this is basically fair. Avni A12,
So 1 by 2.
1 by 2. So this is how practically we are getting. I simply write down the answers now. A13 Ishwar,
0.
0. A21 Avni,
5 by 2.
5 by 2. A22 Ishwar,
2.
what is A23?
So 3 by 2.
3 by 2. And simply we'll put the values back in here and get the answer. I hope we are able to understand what a matrix is. and how the order of a
Yeah.
matrix is defined and how to find a matrix if the formula is given. Let us move ahead. Okay. Next is types of matrix. What is types of? Write down first square matrix. Square matrix. Then write down if the number of rows is equal to number of columns. If the number of rows is equal to number of columns, then it is called a square matrix. If the number of rows is equal to number of columns, then it is called a square matrix. You can write down these examples. You can see that the order is 2 cross T, 2. The order is 3 cross T. This is row and this is column. This is row and this is column. Got it? Next, second thing is principal diagonal. Principal diagonal. What is the principal diagonal? In a square matrix, if I ask you to write down the diagonal elements, for the first one it will be 1, 4, and for the second one it will be 1, 5, 9. These are called the principal diagonals. And it can be only for what? It can only be for a square matrix. Noted?
Yeah.
Write down next. Row matrix and column matrix. Row matrix, column matrix. In row matrix, write down a matrix having exactly one row, a matrix having exactly one row and any number of columns, and any number of columns is called row matrix. Is called row matrix. For example, so the order is what? 1 cross 4. This is the number of row and this is the number of column. And what should be a column matrix? Having exactly one column, and n number of rows, and any number of rows. Order is what? 5 cross 1. This is row and this is column.
Yes.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Next, a zero matrix or a null matrix. A zero matrix or a null matrix. A matrix which has all its elements 0, are called a zero matrix or a null matrix. If all the elements are 0, I'll be back in a minute. Hello. Yes. Is that okay? What is a null matrix?
Yeah.
Yes.
Write down next. Diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. A matrix in which only diagonal elements are in which the diagonal elements ऐसे लिखो इसको a matrix in which all the non-diagonal elements are zero. All the non-diagonal elements are zero is called a diagonal matrix, and it has to be a square matrix because diagonal only exists in a square matrix. Next, scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. Now, if you see this, I will tell you. Is it a diagonal matrix? Abhi? Is it a diagonal
No, sir.
matrix? Look at it very
No.
carefully. It is a diagonal matrix. सारे नॉन जीरो एलिमेंट्स देखो कौन कौन से हैं डायगोनल पे सिर्फ नॉन जीरो आ रहा है बाकी सारे जीरो हैं
Yes.
so it is a diagonal matrix
Yes.
but the difference in both of them is what over here the element at the diagonal element is same okay the element at the diagonal is same so write down a scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix a scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix in which the diagonal has in which the diagonal has the same element with the same sign okay then I run one more example for this minus 2 next unit matrix unit matrix Avi, is it the diagonal matrix?
Yes, sir.
Ishwar, is it a scalar matrix?
Which one, sir?
This one. Is it a scalar matrix?
Yeah.
Yes, because 1, 1, 1 is same. So write down every scalar matrix which has one at the diagonal element, one as the diagonal element, one as the diagonal element on all the values or places on all the values and places of the principal diagonal is called a unit matrix. Okay, so we can say that every unit matrix is a scalar matrix, and every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix.
Okay.
We also call this unit matrix as identity matrix. And it has to be not symbolized with A, B, C, D. The standard notation for this is I. If I say I2, that means it is an identity matrix of order 2. If I say I3, then it is an identity matrix of order. tell me, is this matrix a scalar matrix? Is this matrix a scalar matrix? Any answers? Yes, no? Yes, it is a scalar matrix. Write it down. Every null matrix is also a scalar matrix. Every null matrix is also a scalar matrix. Next, triangular matrix. Triangular matrix. Right on. These are of two types. These are of two types. Upper triangular, second lower triangular. Upper triangular and lower triangular. I shall simply show you one example. Upper triangular. 1, 2, 3, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And lower triangular. 0, 2, 3. You can see there is some kind of an observation in both of these, upper triangular and lower triangular. कुछ नजर आता है उसमें, कुछ बनता हुआ.
Yes, sir.
क्या ऑब्जर्व हुआ अभी?
सर कि जो एपर ट्रायंगुलर है उसके अंदर डायगोनल्स के नीचे वाले एलिमेंट 0 है.
बिल्कुल सही. ईश्वर आप देख सकते हो इस चीज को, कैन यू सी दिस?
हाँ.
So you can see that in upper triangular the elements below the principal diagonal are 0, whereas in lower triangular you can see that the elements above the principal diagonal are 0. Is that okay? Okay. So write it down. Upper triangular matrix is a square matrix. Upper triangular matrix is a square matrix. The square matrix in which the elements below the principal diagonal are 0. Below the principal diagonal are 0. Whereas in a lower triangular matrix, the elements above the principal diagonal are 0. The elements above the principal diagonals are 0. Note down the examples. Right on. Next, comparable matrix. Comparable matrix. Now, what is a comparable matrix? Right on. Two matrices are called comparable if they are having the same order. Let us say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is matrix A. Let there be matrix B. 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 4. you can see that A and B are comparable. The order of A is what? Any answer? Order of A. Abhi, what is the order of A?
The 2 cross 3.
2 cross 3. And Ishwar, what is the order of B?
B is also 2 cross 3.
2 cross 3. So you can see that they are having same order. That means they are comparable.
So your writing is getting stuck.
Writing is getting stuck.
Not able to view it properly. You know, it's getting stuck, and then at once it's displaying everything.
Just wait. Abhi, you also facing the same problem?
No, sir.
Ishwar, something is wrong at your end. Now is it okay?
No, sir. Only the after those A and B, you wrote another A. Only it's showing only to the left bracket.
Okay. Can you just refresh your connection? Log in and log out. I'll wait for you. Please
Now
log
I'm
out.
able to see only one.
Log in and log out.
Okay, right.
I'll wait for you. Ishwar, are you back?
Yeah.
Okay. Now able to do it properly?
Now I'm able to see both A and B.
Okay. Now what is the order of A over here, Ishwar?
2 cross 3.
And what is the order of B, Avni?
The 3 cross 2.
Is the order equal?
No, sir.
2 cross 3 and 3 cross 2 does not mean same. So therefore they are not comparable. Is that okay?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Shall I move on to the next slide?
Yes.
Next is equal matrix. Equal matrix. Two matrices are said to be equal if if two matrices are said to be equal if they have same elements at the same place. They have same elements at the same place in the matrix. Okay. Let us say, for example, if I say A is equals to B and matrix A is given by AB4, CX6 and matrix B is given by 03Y 67X. Okay. Let us say we have this matrix and A and B are equal. Find A, B, C, X and Y. Find A, B, C, X and Y. Okay, so how will we move on with this thing? Now, मैट्रिक्स की इक्वल मैट्रिक्स की डेफिनेशन क्या कहती है? इट सेज दैट इट शुड हैव सेम वैल्यू एट सेम प्लेस. सो आई कैन सी दैट इफ ए इज इक्वल टू बी, यहाँ पे ए आ रहा है स्मॉल ए और यहाँ पे जीरो आ रहा है, therefore my small a will be 0, small b
Yeah.
and 3, so my small b will be 3, y 4, c is equals to y, y is equals to 4, this is c, this is 6, so c becomes equals to 6, x is equals to what? X is equals to 7. Okay, I'll replace it bit over here. You'll be into a problem. This will be cx7. So x will be equals to, this should be z. This should be z. We have to find z also. So x will be equals to what? 7, and z will be equals to 6.
6.
Got it? Let us solve one question on this. Shall I give you the question? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Ishwar, are you there?
Yeah.
If matrix A plus B 2 5 AB is equals to 6 2 5 8,
So again, it's getting stuck.
find A, find B. Are you using a laptop or a tab or something? What
Laptop.
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 I don't know, the connection might be an issue, but everything is okay.
Yeah,
My end is up. If Avni is able to view it, that means something is wrong at your end. Is it a BSNL connection or what?
Maybe some. Huh?
Is it a BSNL connection?
No.
Airtel?
Yeah.
It's not happening. So try to cope up with the session. Okay, put a complaint for this to the customer care. Let us find solution. Now I can see that A plus B is over here and over here it is 6. Therefore A plus B will become what? 6. Over here it is AB. Therefore AB is what? 8. Now we need two numbers which on adding gives 6 and on multiplying becomes 8. So what are the numbers?
2 and 4.
3 and 4? 4 and 2.
2 and 4.
2 and 4. A will be 2 and B will be 4. Or it can be either ways in the reverse order also. B will be 2 and A will be. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Please note it down. Then I'll give you one more question. Okay, write down. Find ABCD. Find ABCD from the given matrix. From the given matrix. 2A plus 5, 3C minus 8, B plus 7, 3D plus 9 is equals to 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Try to solve it yourself. Okay, any answers, Avni? Any answers?
A is -2.
Hmm. A is -2.
Yeah.
Okay, let us check the answer. Will equal matrix, so 2a plus 5 should be equals to 1. So
Yeah.
this becomes 2a equals to -4. So a becomes -2. B plus 7 will be equals to 2. So b becomes -5. So 3c minus 8 equals to 1. 3c equals to 9. C becomes equal to 3. 3d plus 9 will be equals to 3. 3d equals to -6. And d will be equals to -3. So these are the values for the answer. अभी आगे आंसर. Are you there? Abhi, are you there? Ishwar, can you hear me? Hello? Ishwar, can you hear me? Ishwar, can you hear me? Please solve this one.
I can hear you.
Let's solve this one. X plus y plus z. X plus z. Y plus z is equal to 9, 5 and 7.
So X is 2, Y is 4, Z is 3.
Simple, it will be what? X plus y plus z is equals to 9 and y plus z is equals to 7 and x plus z is equals to 5. Let us put this x plus z over here. So this will become what? 5 plus y equal to 9. So y will be what? 4. Let us put this y back in here. This will become what? 4 plus z equals to 3. So z becomes what? -1. Z को इधर put कर देंगे तो what will we
Yes.
get? X plus -1 equals to 5. So x will be equals to 6. So these are the answers. Solve this one. 2x minus 3y z minus w 3 1 x plus 4y 3z plus 4w is equals to 1 minus 2 3 1 6 29.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
Sir, x is equals
Hmm. Let us try
to
to
y
solve.
is
I'll tell you, they'll discuss the answer. This will be this. X plus 4y will be what? X plus 4y will be 6. So we know how to solve this. On solving this, what is the value of x, Abhi?
6.
X is 6.
Sir, x is 2.
X is
X is 2, sir.
x is 2. And what is y?
Y 1.
Y. And the second equation will be z minus w and 3z plus 4w. Z minus w is minus 2. 3z plus w is what? 29. What is the value? What is the value of
Z is 3, W is 5.
w is 5. Okay. Do this last one. If x plus 3, z plus 4, 2y minus 7, 4x plus 6, a minus 1, 0, b minus 3, 3b, z plus 2c is equals to 0, 6, 3y minus 2, 2x minus 3, 2c plus 2, 2b plus 4, minus 21 and 0.
I got them.
Got it? What is the value of x?
X is minus 3.
Minus 3, good. Avni, value of z?
Sir, 2.
2, good. Value of y? Ishwar?
Minus 5.
Minus 5. Value of x? What is the value of b?
B is
Sir,
minus 7.
minus 7.
Minus 7. 2b, b minus 3, b minus 3 equal to 2b plus 4. So this will become minus b and 7. B is minus 7, perfect. What is the value of c, Ishwar?
Value of C minus 1.
C is minus 1. We have left with a. What is the value of a, Avni?
Sir, minus 2.
Minus 2. Simply by putting these two. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
The last topic for today is negative of a matrix. Negative of a matrix. Let us say if I have A as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Then what will be negative of a matrix? Minus A will be what? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 and minus. You simply have to multiply each and every element by minus. We'll take this example as minus 9. So it will become what? Plus 9 over. Is that okay, Abhi?
Yes, sir.
Let us wait for 2 minutes. Let us come back. Abhi, when are you getting your summer breaks?